Hey Slay Squad, welcome back to my channel. As you all can tell by the title, I'll be unboxing the last version of the iPad Pro before the new version comes out. I just couldn't wait yet again until the new version comes out. So I'll be unboxing the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 4th generation in the color Space Gray, and it has 256 gigabytes of storage. So without further ado, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get straight into this video. So, firstly, as you saw, I went into the store. I didn't go to the Apple store this time. Went to Best Buy. Who doesn't love going to Best Buy? I also got a few accessories as well to go with my iPad. I got me a handy spec balance Folio case. Here's what it looks like, just so I can be sure not to crack my screen, scratch my screen. None of the above. It's by the brand Spec, and it is 4 feet drop tested. It also supports the Apple Pencil, of course, the 2nd generation. It has a camera shield, and it like stands up if I were to have a keyboard. And it has an auto sleep and wake, like when you flap it open and all that. And it has a storage slot for the Apple Pencil at the top right here. Thank goodness, because I did get the Apple Pencil as well. It has a 1-year warranty in case something happens to it. It has a camera shield for the back right here. And it is in the color gray, like my iPad as well. So I think it just slide out. Ooh. So here's the case. It's just a plain gray case. Here's the little camera shield right here, and this just claps open like that, and boom, it's just a gray case. And where does it hold the Apple Pencil at? It says it holds the pencil too. I'll find it later, but it says it holds the pencil. Let's see. Oh, I think it's magnetic, so it holds the pencil by being magnetic. So here's the Apple Pencil. It just says Apple Pencil at the top, upside down, and then it has the white pencil on the front, what it looks like. And this retail for $129.99, I believe, and it is the 2nd generation. Yes, it's the 2nd generation. Let's open it up. I haven't opened anything. I waited until I did this video for you guys because I know I wanted to do a video for you guys opening it. So let's take the paper off. Oh, this is the best part. Who doesn't love new Apple products? I know I do. Oop, I saw so. And then, there's another box in the box. And then you just pull it out like so, like that, and boom. Here is the Apple Pencil. Another color. I wonder if good thing you don't have to charge this thing. It's just like a pencil by Apple. So yeah, that's really cute. I'm gonna have fun using that while I edit. And also, y'all hit me up if you need some edits at Traceland Designs on Instagram. Hit me up for all your YouTube needs, banner, intro, outro, thumbnail, anything. And here's what we all been waiting for, which you all probably clicked for. None other than the iPad Pro. Look how big it is. Oh my gosh. The map. Wait. Okie dokie. Let's open it. And like I said, it's the 256 gigabyte iPad Pro, the 12.9 inch, 4th generation with Wi-Fi and cellular data. Let's open it. This is the best part. Oh my gosh, y'all, I've been wanting a new iPad for the longest. Like, I had an iPad mini, but y'all, that thing was so old. I had had it since I was 12. I'll be 21 in August. So, y'all can calculate how much that is. I think that's like 11. But here it is. This box is so pretty. iPad Pro. Now let's open it. Okay. She don't want to come out. Okay, girl. She don't want to come out the box. Goodness. Technical difficulties. There's not even no tape on the box. Here we go. Finally. Sorry, y'all. Being difficult. Dun, 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 dun. Here she is. Here it is. Space gray. Not the aesthetic I was going for, but let me go ahead and put this in the case for right now, because we do not need any problems. No cracks, no scratches, nothing. Ah, she's so big. Here it is, guys. Oh my gosh, so exciting. Okay, let's turn her on. I'll be back once it's all set up and turned on, because I have to put in the Wi-Fi, of course, and connect my Apple ID, and we'll be right back. So I'm back. I've officially set up my brand new iPad. I still have to decorate it, make it all cute, but here's what we're working with. This thing is huge. It's bigger than my face. So gotta getting used to. So yeah, it has all my Apple Music, everything connected from my phone right here. And then I just have to download all my apps again, because I don't want to take up all this storage, because I have 512 gigabytes on my phone and 256 on this. So it would literally take up all my storage if I did everything from my phone and on here. So I don't want to do that. And then I just have to put in my SIM card so I can have my data. And here's how the Apple Pencil works on it. Ooh, never mind, I think you have to connect it. Let's go to the settings. Apple Pencil. Able different as we use for scrolling instead. Apple Pencil will. So you can only draw with it. I didn't know that, but what is that? Let's try to scribble and see. Why it's not working? YouTube is literally your best friend. I figured out, you guys. So with the second generation Apple Pencil, it doesn't have that end cap anymore to where you would charge it in the iPad. It's magnetic, so you just snap it on. The Apple Pencil pops up at the top, and you see it charging. Where'd it go? And then it shows you its battery percent at the top. And then once it's finished charging, you can use it. And as you see in the settings right here, well, you can't see it, but you can see the pencil right there. Its battery percent and everything it does. And then it's ready for use once it's fully charged. That's pretty much sums up my unboxing video for my iPad and accessories. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a like, comment, and be sure to subscribe. Also, thank you guys for 600 subscribers. Next, we're on the road to 700 subscribers. So, always and forever, slay with your trades. Bye, Facebook.